Why does your scanner show the P2172 engine code? What does it mean? P2172 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle actuator control system, sudden high airflow detected. It indicates that the vehicle's engine control module has detected a sudden and large influx of air into the throttle system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Vacuum leaks. Faulty throttle body. Malfunctioning manifold absolute pressure sensor. Damaged wiring harness. Faulty throttle actuator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.